What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk about dividend that I received for every month. So today I'll just walk you through, all my dividends that I received. So if you guys are following me, you guys already know that I have a portfolio for about $180,000, and today I'm gonna talk about the dividend. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before we start, can we just like and subscribe the channel, guys? That will help me, keep motivating to create more and more videos. So yeah, let's start with that. All right. So I have like currently about 71 holdings in my portfolio, as you can see here. Uh, Most of the stocks I have, is for long term. So if you guys are following my channel, you guys know that I do have a long-term portfolio. It's all long-term portfolio and dividend portfolio. Basically, now from a couple of months, I started adding growth portfolio as well. So when I say growth portfolio, I started adding like Apple and SPAC like Butterfly Network and PLTR, and there are a few more stocks that I have been adding. So yeah, and the reason I'm adding is I also doing swing trade. So sometimes it really helps me. So that's why I thought, okay, why not doing swing trade when you have got an opportunity, then you can always take an advantage of those swing trades as well. But end of the day, I'm again dividend investor, and I just make the profit and then I just reinvest all those profit money into the dividend stock again. So that's what I do. So yeah, so let's see what are the dividends are projected for monthly. Let's go in a monthly income. So you can see I'm receiving monthly dividend average on an average $559. So if you compare from month to month, in February I have received $356, and March $428, April $268, in May $365, in June $452, and July $267, August 367, and September I will be receiving $446. October I'll be receiving $268, and in November I'll be receiving 367. So I'm seeing like my dividends are keep increasing each and every month, and every year. So that's what I'm focusing, and I'm also planning to you know to double my dividend. So which means like in coming months I will be buying more dividend stock, completely focused on dividend uh, per month. Like I want to increase my monthly dividend. So let's see how that gonna go. Once I'll buy, I'll share with you guys. But yeah, right now monthly I'm getting on an average $359, which I'm very happy with it, considering my portfolio. Right now I'm holding quite a bit on tech as well as growth stock, right? So uh, I believe on both. I mean, value versus growth. I'm fine in both, but if you ask me personally, I really like value stock for long term, and so how I decided on value versus growth, right? Uh, so there are a lot of calculation I have done depending on my income, age, retirement date, right? So considering all those points, I decided I should have some portfolio allocated on growth as well. Uh, and then rest of the portfolio should be in value. And but definitely I would like to, at some point I would like to sell those growth stock, and I want to keep rotate that money again back to the value stock, which pays me at least dividend. So yeah, that's what my plan is. So if you see my portfolio, then you will see, like, it's not only about the dividend portfolio. There are, like, stock which will be like value plus uh, tech stock or growth stock, you can say, mostly tech, you can say. And I also starting adding basically SPAC. So you will see a lot of Steam. I'm buying STEM is the ticker name. They recently changed the name. And then I have PLTR, Plantier, um, like that. I have Butterfly Network. I really had gone through those, uh, SPAC in detail, and then I find myself, a lot of conviction to hold those stock, and I gonna hold for at least for minimum 1 year, around 1 year, you can say. I mean, it depends, like, what are the prices we gonna go in coming months. If it goes down, I will double down on those stocks. That's what I'm planning right now, but I don't know how it's gonna go. uh, but if it goes up, and if I make good profit on that, definitely I'm gonna take my initial investment, and then I'll diversify to my basically value stock or dividend stock. So that's what I'm planning right now. Yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you.